Okay, YouTube, this is Ken with KenG Fence, Denver, Colorado, on the north side. And we basically took all that wood off the gate, and it was just way too heavy for the people to use. And now it's nice and light. We got the sheet metal up. It's going to be painted brown by Frank, the person who owns it, and basically opens up real easy now. Lightweight, easy to use, and it's very easy to adjust if you need to. Okay? And even Frank can pull this thing in easily with no problem. Okay? Now, with that in mind, Frank, how you doing?
Doing good. I found KenG through a Google search looking for a local fencer. I had him come by, give me a quote. We talked, we agreed on a job. He came by today, did the job. I'm happy with the job. He did a very good job. My gate is now a lot lighter. It's opening and closing a lot easier. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the work this man does, and I would recommend him to anybody.
Excellent. Appreciate that. What's the date for the...
What's today's date?
September 1st? September 1st. So that's your warranty, and gave you a real nice discount, senior discount, and your mother needed some help. We helped her, and that's really the bottom line here. We're going to help people out.
Yes, sir.
If we don't help people out,
1st.
We're fakes. And I don't want to be called a fake. I'd rather help people out. 720-431-0927. KenGFence.com. Take care.
A little slower so people